www.v-league.ph. Pampagising. Basta po tayo dyan.
Talaga.
Andyan lahat. Scores, history. At ang
That's
gusto niyo
right.
malaman sa mga manlalaro natin, ating mga magagaling na atleta rito sa huling 8 years ng inyong paboritong Shakey's V-League, nandiyan dyan po sa website na yan.
Lalo na ngayon, di ba? Yung sabi natin, mixture of seasoned and
Yes.
new.
New generation players. Oo, iba na.
Malalaman nyo ngayon lahat sila dyan.
Ito yung mga social network generation.
So far, partner, Bautista leading the way with 18 points and Laborte with 14 of her own. Rosas with 7, Cruzada with 6. On the other side, it's Cases with 11, Artates with 8, Goliman with 6, Maggie with, make that 8. Kanina 7 eh.
That was an
8
important point for the Water Dragons. Could have been a 6-point lead para dito sa kumpanan ng Navy. Instead, 5-point lead rather. Instead, naputol sa 3. And then Bautista receiving. And once again, Mick Laborte, a master in placing that kind of an attack all the way to that back area.
Cruzada on the line. Let's see.
One stop daw, sabi ni Coach BJ Sacramento. Nice serve coming from Cruzada. Ancheta chasing that. Cases getting that over the 2 blockers. Galido to Nene Bautista.
Nene Bautista.
Ganda ng bigay ni Galido.
Thundering with that open hit.
Hindi madali yung ganong klaseng second ball, ha?
Oh, yes.
Buhay niya, pero tingnan mo naman,
At underhand.
Yes.
Underhand yung pagkakaset nun.
Pero it comes with familiarity. Again, playing together for a long time, trusting one another, and ngayon, 5 na ang abante rito ng koponan ni Coach Nene Ibanez. Cruzada still serving, 19-14. Mangi receiving. Ancheta rejected at the net.
And it's now Mirasol inside.
Cases, nabiyayaan.
Napabayaan. Akala already a dead ball, but still playable as the Water Dragon scores 1. Si Mirasol na ngayon ang nasa loob at inilabas na ito si Beb Boto.
Mick Laborte. Bautista, still alive. Again, Galido.
Oh, but Nene Bautista just not too ready for that underhand back set
Not
by
that time,
Galido.
yes. Coach Nene Ibanez calling a timeout. Her team still on top, 19-16. Dito sa third set.
Maganda o pangit ang set, i-save natin. Pag last ball, tayong striker, mag-isip.